Now I want to also create a few more pages that I think every online store should have, which is an about page, a contact page, and an FAQ page. Let's go to the top right here, and then let's click on pages. And then here, let's click on default page. Here we can determine what the default page layout is going to be for our website. So currently our pages will just start with the page name as a title right here, which I think looks a bit boring. So we're going to do something different. So first, let's just hide this section by clicking on the I right here. And then let's add a new section and choose the image banner. Then for banner height, I'm going to choose small and then untick the show container on desktop. And then I want to delete everything but this heading right here. So let's click on the text, click on the trash icon, and then also let's delete the buttons right here by clicking on the trash icon. And then for this heading right here, I'm gonna make this large. And that's basically it for our default page layout. Now every new page that we add to our store will have this image banner, and we can add contact here as a heading for the contact page. We can add about us for the about page, and obviously we can just change the background image for each single page. So let's save our changes. But first, let's also create our FAQ page and our contact page. So let's go back to the page builder and then click here and go to pages and click on create template. Now we're going to create the template for the FAQ page. So let's type in FAQ and click on create template. Then first let's create the banner. So let's change this text to FAQ and let's also make it bold. Then let's change the background image. So let's click on the section and just drag in our FAQ banner image. And then we also want to make the text here white. So let's go back here, click on image banner, and then just change the scheme from 1 to 4. Now let's add our FAQ section below. So let's go back here and click on add section. And for our FAQs, we're going to add the collapsible content section. And then let's customize this section by clicking on it. And then first I'm going to change the title here to something like find your answers here. And then we can move on and customize each of these questions. So let's go back, and I'm actually going to delete all of them except one, so I can create one template for all of my questions. Then let's click on the one we still have. And first I'm going to delete this check mark here by going to icon and then choosing none. And that's basically it for the template. So now to create more of them, we can just go to the 3 dots here and click on duplicate for however many FAQ questions we have. Now let's say the first question is how long does the shipping take? We can just go to the heading here and then write the question. How long does shipping take? And then down here, we can add the answer to the question. And we want to do the same thing for all of our questions. So select the second one and fill out everything here. And then one more thing I would add to the FAQ page is a link to the contact page for everybody who didn't find an answer to their question. So let's go to the overview here and click on add section and then just add a rich text section. And I'm going to change the heading here to couldn't find your answer and make the heading size small. Then also change this text right here to something that makes sense. And then I'm going to link this button to the contact page. So let's click on it here, go to the link and then go to pages and choose contact. And then also change the label to contact us. And that's it. Let's save our changes. Now, just like before, we have just created the template for our FAQ page. Now we have to create the actual page and assign it to this template. So let's go back to our Shopify dashboard, go to online store, pages, add a new page and call it FAQ. And then for theme template, we're going to choose FAQ and click save.